Hello students, welcome to Physics Learning Point. Today our topic is how to write four quantum numbers of given electron. We know that total four quantum numbers are there. One is principal quantum number, which explains about atomic size and atomic energy, and angular momentum quantum number, and angular momentum quantum number explains about subshells and their shapes. And magnetic quantum number, it explains about the orientation of the subshells. And the spin quantum number, it explains about the orientation of electrons inside the subshells. So two spin numbers are allowed. So two electrons are filled in each subshell. First electron has plus of spin and the second electron has minus of spin. Then how to write these four quantum numbers for a given electron? Let us discuss this topic with few examples. First, let us discuss the electron of fifth electron of 2p orbital. Okay, fifth electron of 2p orbital. So let us take this is the fifth electron of 2p orbital. Then what are the four quantum numbers for this 2p5 electron? So here first one, principal quantum number, which is denoted with n, and second one is angular momentum quantum number denoted with L, and magnetic quantum number denoted with Ml, and similarly the spin quantum number, which is denoted with Ms. So let us try to write these quantum numbers. Okay, first, what is the principal quantum number? So the main shell itself, the principal quantum number. So here the fifth electron in the p orbital belongs to second main shell. Okay, so its principal quantum number is 2. Then what about angular momentum quantum number? We know that angular momentum quantum number depends on principal quantum number. For any principal quantum number, the angular momentum quantum numbers starts from 0 and its maximum number is n minus 1. Its maximum number is n minus 1. For example, here if n equal to 2, how many angular momentum numbers are present? So two numbers. So one is the n values are depending on n. First value is 0. So and second value is n minus 1. So what happens here? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Similarly, if n equal to 4, then how many number of angular momentum quantum numbers are there? So here the angular momentum quantum numbers, the least value is 0 and maximum number is n minus 1. So 4 minus 1, 3 and 1, 2. So 4 values are there. So principal quantum number is 4. Then how many values are present? 4 angular momentum quantum numbers are present, and the smallest number is 0 and maximum number is n minus 1. 4 minus 1, 3. So if n equal to 0, then this orbital is, this subshell is S, and if n equal to 1, then this subshell is P. Okay, then if n equal to 2, then this subshell is D, and if n equal to 3, then this subshell is F. Okay, SPDF. If n equal to 4, then that subshell is G. In this way, we need to take the angular momentum quantum number. So here, the given in the example, the given subshell is P. Then what is the L value for P? P orbital, then it is 1. Okay, this is about angular momentum quantum number. Now let us discuss the magnetic quantum number. So here the magnetic quantum number mainly depends on the angular momentum quantum number. For any given angular momentum quantum number, the total magnetic quantum numbers are ml equal to TL plus 1. Total values are 2L plus 1 depending on L. And these values starts from minus L, 0 up to total values are plus L. Okay. So based on the L value, the first value starts from minus L and the final value ends with plus L. And here the angular momentum quantum number is 1. So substitute the L value in this. So 2 into 1 plus 1. How many values are there? 3 ml values are there. Magnetic quantum numbers are there. Then what are those values? These values should start from minus L. So here L equal to 1. So the first value is minus 1. Then immediately the value is 0. And then the value is plus 1. Here total 3 magnetic quantum number values are there. These values depending on L starts from minus L. So here L equal to 1. So starts from minus 1, 0 and ends with plus L and plus 1. And here the p orbital divides into 3 degenerate orbitals. So degenerate orbitals means the orbitals which have equal energy. Then that type of orbitals are said to be degenerate orbital. So here p orbital, 2p orbital again divides into 2px, 2py and 2pz. The electrons in each subshell. So filling of electrons. So in this way it is completely wrong. Okay. According to Hund's law, whenever degenerate orbitals are available, each orbital should fill first, then pairing should start. So if the degenerate orbitals are available, directly filling 2 electrons in the available degenerate orbital is completely wrong. So how to fill? Each orbital is filled with 1 electrons first. So here our electron is 5th electron. So 4 electrons before 5th electron. So first we need to fill 1 electron in 2px and second electron in 2py and third electron in 2pz. Now pairing should start. Then the 4th electron is filled into 2px and the 5th electron is filled into 2p5. Okay. So here the electron, the 5th electron in 2p5 is filled into 2py. The 5th electron is filled in 2py. So the value of magnetic quantum number value is 0. So the magnetic quantum number is 0 here. Similarly, 2 electrons we can fill in each orbital. So this is the first electron and this is the second electron. As we know that the spin value of first electron is plus half and the spin of second electron is minus half. So here this electron is 5th electron is second electron in py orbital, 2py orbital. So the value is minus half. So in this way we need to write 4 quantum numbers of given electron. Okay. Again let us discuss one more example regarding these quantum numbers. Let us take 3d4 electron. Okay, 3d4 electrons. So as we know that first principal quantum number, then angular momentum quantum number and magnetic quantum number and spin quantum number. Okay. So the d orbital belongs to third mention. So from the principal quantum number is 3. And second angular momentum quantum number, already we have discussed that on depending on n value the magnetic quantum numbers are 0 to maximum n minus 1. Okay. So if L equal to 0, this is S subshell, then 1 P subshell, 2 D subshell and 3 F subshell, 4 G subshell and so on. So here the subshell is D. So the L value for D subshell is 2. Okay. So this is the angular momentum quantum number for the D orbital, 3D orbital. Now come to magnetic quantum numbers. Just before we have discussed that the magnetic quantum number depends on angular momentum quantum number. So for any given L value, ML values are 2L plus 1. Okay. So here what is the L value? 2. So 2 into 2 plus 1. How many values are there? Total 5 values are there for the ML, magnetic quantum number for D value, which means the D orbital again divides into 5 orbitals. So then what are those values? 5 values, and depending on L again starts from minus L to plus L, the maximum minimum value from minus 2 and maximum value plus 2, okay, depending on angular momentum quantum number. So which means the magnetic quantum number divides into 5. These D orbitals, 5 D orbitals are, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first one is dxy, then dyz, dzx, dx square y square, and fifth one dz square. So here we are discussing fourth electron. So the first electron is filled in dxy, and the second electron is filled in dyz, and the third electron is filled in dzx, and the fourth electron is filled in dx square y square. Then it's, so we need the magnetic quantum number of the 3d4 electron, fourth electron. This is the fourth electron, so its value is plus 1, so 1. Then ms, spin quantum number. So this is the first electron, so it has the plus of, this is these are the 4 quantum numbers for the 3d4 electron. And the question may be asked, write the 4 quantum numbers for differentiating electron of the sodium atom. Differentiating electron of sodium atom. What is the differentiating electron? So the electron which is present in outermost orbit is said to be differentiate electron. So because this electron is the cause for the chemical reactivity of the sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? The atomic number of the sodium is 11. Then its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. So 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. So that is this electron is said to be differentiating electron of sodium, because that electron is present in outermost orbit, or valency electron. Well, let us write 4 quantum numbers for the last electron, differentiating electron in the sodium. So first, principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, and magnetic quantum number, and spin quantum number. So first, principal quantum number is 3, and angular momentum quantum number is nothing but s equal to 0. So if L equal to 0, then S subshell 1, P subshell 2, D subshell, and 3, F subshell, and so on. So here the L value is 0. Then depending on L value, ML values also, ML values, total ML values are 2 into 0 plus 1. So how many values are there? 0. 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1 value only there. That one value is nothing but depending on L, so that is 0. So here for any s orbital, the magnetic quantum number value also 0. Then ms value means, so here only s orbital is there, then the only one electron is present in 3s orbital, so that is having the plus of spin. So this is the way to write 4 quantum numbers of given electron. So this is today's class. In next class we will discuss another topic.